Okay, y'all. Just got on from work and I am tired and excited because the whole time I was thinking, after work, I'm going to get those Colonel Sanders Kentucky Fried Chicken Nuggets. All white meat, baby, baby! So I'm about to try these. And the motherfucking KFC sauce. I got the sauce. Okay, so let's try to get a good look at these. See, I'm on an Android. Oh, there they go. I'm on an Android. So I'm gonna bite one so you can hear my reaction. I'm gonna keep it 100. They overrated. I thought every bite was gonna taste like the fresh hot wings, or the original flavor fresh hot wings, or okay, wait a minute, I'm having second thoughts. Hold up, about to take another bite. I'm gonna tell you what I like. I'm about to have a good night. I'm about to take another bite. Hold up.